everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is a little early because of Deepavali festival and I thought I will show you how to make Kajaya Paka. It's not at all difficult as many of you think and the ingredients are just two. So let us see how to do it. Do try it out. I have taken 1 kilo of dosa rice. You can either take dosa rice or the red rice. Usually people do it with the red rice. Now I'm taking the dosa rice. Either it's the same. You have to soak it for about 12 hours. That's overnight. And then in the morning, just drain out all the water and put it on a cloth like this to dry in a warm place or under the fan. If you dry it for about 2-3 hours, it's fine. The rice should not dry completely. It's just that the water has to go away and the rice can be a little moist. Now is the time to make a powder out of it. If the quantity of the rice is too much, you can take it to a flour mill, or else if it is less, you can powder it in your house in a mixer. It's just that you have to make a very fine powder. You have to sieve it in a very small sieve and make a fine powder out of it. You can see that the powder is ready now. I'm going to sieve it like this, just to break out the lumps and make it a fine powder. Now the powder is all ready. Let us start doing. For 1 kg of rice, I have taken 1 kilo of jaggery. It's the equal quantity. For that, I'll show you how much water to put. I have, pound the jaggery and made it a little bit of powder like this. For that, for 1 kg of jaggery, I've used about 100 ml of water. About half a cup, that is, I guess. So I'm going to put 100 ml water. It's only that much. The water quantity should not go up or down. It's only 100 ml. So let us switch on the stove and start mixing it. After adding water, I've switched on the stove and I'm going to mix it like this. We are supposed to melt the jaggery and get one string consistency. Until then, I'm going to cook it. You can see that the jaggery is almost mixed now. We have to get one string consistency, so let's cook it a little more by stirring it continuously. You can see that it has started to boil now. Few more minutes, I guess, we will get the consistency we need. You can see that the one string is formed now. I'm going to show you there. See how nicely one string is formed. This is the time for us to put the rice flour now. So we are going to add in the rice flour little by little and keep on mixing it. Little at a time, mix it. Again, little at a time, mix it. The flame should be low. So I've put the entire flour little by little and you can see that there's no lumps, nothing will be formed. You just have to go on rotating in one direction and keep on adding and mixing, that's it. So all the flour is being put now. Just have to mix it a little more. It's always better that we use a thick bottomed pan for this. You can see how nice and smooth it is. Just have to mix it a little more. I'll show you when to stop it and when it is done. Just 3 ingredients, nothing more than that, and very easy to do as well. Once you've mixed all the flour, it's about 3 to 5 minutes that you'll have to cook it, that's it. So in between 3 and 5 minutes, I'll show you how to know it is done and when to stop it. You can see that there's shiny formation on top. You can see that it's become a little shiny, and if you wet your hands and touch it, it won't stick to your hands. You can see that it's not stuck to the hands. So that's when it is done. About 5 minutes I've cooked it. So the Kajaya Paka is ready now. That's it. You just have to make Kajaya out of it. It's as easy as it looks. I have just taken a little bit of Paka to show you how to make Kajaya. I'm going to make balls out of it, flatten it on a plastic sheet like this, greased with oil, and fry it. I've kept ghee for heating here. It should not be too hot. Once it's medium hot, we can fry the Kajaya. To the kajaya paka, some people add sesame and khaskhas. It is optional again. Whoever likes it can add. When flattening this, you can just sprinkle on top a little bit and fry it. If you don't want, you can just plain kajayas you can make. I'll show you both. I've made taken a small ball out of it. I'm going to flatten it on a sheet like this. Make a small hole in between so that it gets fried well. Kept oil for heating. I have dropped one kajaya into medium hot ghee. Doesn't take much time to cook. So this is done now. I'm going to take it off. This is how we fry all the kajayas, how many ever you need. The remaining paka, you can keep it in the fridge and make it whenever you want. You can see how nicely the kajaya has come out. Crispy outside and soft on the inside.